Hi, I'm going to show you a really quick, easy, inexpensive way to replace your watch band. I like to think of myself as super frugal. Other people call me cheap. But what I do is I buy an inexpensive watch, and often the watch band is the first to wear out. So what I do is I buy headbands, and you can get 3 or 4 of them for usually $4 to $6. And then what you do is you put it between the pins, take the pins out, put the right side against the back of the watch, put the seam against the back of the watch, re-put the pins in, and then you just place it on your wrist and wrap it like a hair tie. And then you just adjust the bands so everything's right side up. And there you have a convenient little watch band.